Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. So, yesterday we had revised chapter number 5, the 100 Dresses, part 1, and today we are going to revise chapter number 6, the 100 Dresses, part 2, written by Elsor Exter. So, the introduction is in continuation with the previous chapter. In this part, the author teaches us a lesson of not to hurt anybody's feelings. All the girls in the school made fun of Wanda, a Polish girl. Actually, Wanda was from Polish community. She was from a poor family. That's why many of the girls made fun of her. As a result, she left the school. Then the feeling of repentance arose among the students who teased Wanda. When Wanda left the school, at that time the other students thought about Wanda. Peggy and Maddie even go to her house to stop her from leaving that place, but they couldn't meet her as she had already left. They write a letter to her accepting their fault. Wanda sends a letter to Miss Mason on the eve of Christmas. She greets everybody Merry Christmas and give them the gifts of her paintings. मीन्स जो लेटर वांडा मिस मैसन टीचर को लिखती है उसमें वो ये बोलती है कि जो मैंने पेंटिंग्स की थी उनमें से दो स्पेसिफिक पेंटिंग्स एक मैडी और एक पैगी को दे दी जाए एज द क्रिसमस गिफ्ट. Now, summary letter from Wanda's father. The students were walking in the room and admiring the dress designs made by Wanda. Meanwhile, a notice from the principal's office came and Miss Mason read the letter before the class. कि principal के office से एक message आया Miss Mason के लिए and the message was in written. It was from Wanda's father. Wanda's father had written that Wanda would not come to school anymore as they were moving to big city. And in the letter, Wanda's father had written that she will not join the school now as they had moved to some other city. Actually, they were fed up with others' behavior towards them. In the city, nobody would consider Wanda's name funny and laugh at her. Miss Mason's advice. Silence spread in the entire class and everyone felt bad about Wanda. Miss Mason understood their feelings and told them no one should hurt anybody's feelings because his or her name was long or funny. She said that what had happened in the school about Wanda was bad. She asked them to think about that. तो मिस मैसन ने सबको एडवाइस दी कि हमें किसी की भी फीलिंग्स को हर्ट नहीं करना चाहिए. मैडीज फीलिंग्स. व्हेन मैडी हर्ड अबाउट वांडा she could not concentrate on her studies. She had a guilty feeling. It was true that she had never made fun of Wanda herself, but at the same time she said nothing and stood silently. मैडी को तो अब बहुत बुरा लग रहा था, लेकिन वो साथ के साथ ये भी सोच रही थी कि उसने खुद तो कभी वांडा का मजाक नहीं उड़ाया, लेकिन दूसरी बात साथ में ये थी कि वो कभी बोली भी नहीं थी जो उसका मजाक उड़ाते थे उनके अगेंस्ट. शी फेल्ट दैट ही वॉज अ कावर्ड एंड नेवर स्टॉप्ड Peggy from making fun of Wanda. Maddie's resolve. Maddie wondered if she could do anything. She wanted to meet Wanda to explain that she had never meant to hurt her feelings. She made up her mind to go to her house and inform her that she had won the contest and that her drawings were really awesome. Now, Maddie wanted to resolve the mistake by going to her house and asking sorry. Sorry feelings. After the school was over, Peggy and Maddie walked towards Wanda's house. On the way, Peggy explained that she had never called Wanda a foreigner. She always thought that Wanda was a dumb girl and never imagined that she could ever sense the fun made of her. Maddie just wanted to meet Wanda and tell her that they were sorry for their rude treatment. अब जब उसके घर जा रहे थे तो पैगी रास्ते में जाती अपने आप को एक्सप्लेन करती जा रही थी कि मैंने जो भी किया वो इस तरीके से नहीं किया, लेकिन मैडी ये सोच रही थी कि मैं कुछ भी एक्सप्लेनेशन नहीं देना चाहती हूँ, सिर्फ ये बोलूँगी दैट वी आर सॉरी फॉर व्हाट वी हैव डन टू यू. Peggy and Maddie at Wanda's house. Peggy and Maddie reached Wanda's house in Boggins Heights. पता है आप सबको वांडा का घर Boggins Heights में था. It was shabby but clean and reminded Maddie of Wanda's one dress. पैगी नॉक्ड ऑन द डोर बट देयर वॉज नो रिस्पॉन्स. दरवाज़ा नॉक किया, किसी ने कोई रिस्पॉन्स नहीं दिया. वांडा एंड हर फैमिली हैड ऑलरेडी लेफ्ट द प्लेस. बोथ द गर्ल्स रिटर्न. Peggy said that her asking Wanda about her dresses actually helped her. Otherwise, perhaps she might not have won the drawing contest. कि वो पूछते थे उस वांडा से कि तुम्हारे पास कितनी ड्रेसेस हैं, क्लोजेट कैसा है, शूज़ कितने हैं. तो शायद इन्हीं बातों को ध्यान में रखते हुए वांडा ने इतनी अच्छी ड्रेसेस बना दी थी कॉन्टेस्ट में. मैडीज conscience pricks. Maddie's conscience kept pricking her. She could not sleep that night and kept thinking of Wanda, her drawings, and her house. At last, she decided that she would not keep quiet if someone made fun of anybody before her. तो मैडी अब क्या डिसीजन लेती है कि उसके सामने अगर कोई किसी का मजाक उड़ाएगा तो वो चुप नहीं रहेगी. शी वुड नॉट माइंड इवन इफ़ शी हैड टू लूज़ पैगीज फ्रेंडशिप. अब उसे इस बात का भी दुख नहीं होगा कि किसी को कुछ गलत काम से मना करने के लिए अगर उसकी फ्रेंडशिप पैगी से टूट जाती है तो वो अपनी फ्रेंडशिप भी तोड़ सकती है. Letter to Wanda. Peggy and Maddie wrote a letter to Wanda on the following Saturday, just meant to be a friendly letter. They praised Wanda's drawings and wrote that she had won the contest. They mailed it to Wanda's Boggins Heights address with the request that it be sent to her new address. A number of days passed, but no reply came. फिर उन्होंने सोचा कि हम एक लेटर लिखेंगे वांडा को. दोनों ने एक लेटर लिखा जिसमें बहुत प्रेज़ की उसकी पेंटिंग्स की. वांडा's letter to Miss Mason. It was Christmas time. On the last day of the school, Miss Mason received a letter from Wanda. क्रिसमस के लिए स्कूल was going to close and on the last day of the school, Miss Mason received a letter from Wanda. Wanda had written that the girls could keep those 100 dresses because in her new house she had 100 new ones. वांडा ने बोला था कि यहाँ पे लड़कियाँ उसकी ड्रेसेस को रख सकती हैं बिकॉज न्यू हाउस में उसके पास बहुत सी ड्रेसेस हैं. शी हैड गिफ्टेड द ग्रीन ड्रेस विद रेड ट्रिमिंग्स टू पैगी. उसने बोला कि जो मैंने ग्रीन ड्रेस बनाई थी रेड ट्रिमिंग के साथ वो पैगी को दे दी जाए. And she wrote that Maggie could have the blue dress. She wished Merry Christmas to all. They accepted the drawings. On the way home, Peggy and Maddie held their drawings very carefully. Maddie even pinned the drawing in her bedroom. Maddie ने तो अपनी ड्राइंग बेडरूम में वॉल पे लगा दी थी. A strange revelation. Maddie was filled with sorrow. She wondered if she could never see Wanda again. मैडी को इस बात का दुख था कि अब वो वांडा को दोबारा नहीं देख पाएंगे. थिंकिंग ऑल दिस शी गेज्ड एट द ड्राइंग फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम. सडनली शी नोटिस्ड द फेस एंड हेड इन द ड्राइंग. It looked like her own head and face. She was excited to find that Wanda had made that drawing specially for her. She ran to Peggy's house and told Peggy about her strange revelation. Then they saw Peggy's drawing and found Peggy's face in it. Peggy की drawing में Peggy का face दिखाई दिया. Peggy too was happy to see her own image in the drawing. Concluded that Wanda really liked them. There were tears in their eyes. और अब जब भी मैडी वांडा के बारे में सोचती थी उसकी आंखों में आंसू आ जाते थे. दैट्स ऑल विद चैप्टर नंबर 6. सो टुमारो वील रिवाइज सम अदर चैप्टर. So till then, bye. Have a nice day ahead, students.